All right, everyone, let's start with something you all do every single day. This morning, how many of you checked Instagram, sent a Snapchat, or maybe jumped into a game of Fortnite before school? I'm betting pretty much all of you. It's called a computer network, and most people walk around using it every day without having a clue how it actually works. So picture this. You're texting your friend about weekend plans. You type your message. Hit send and boom. 3 seconds later, your friend gets it. But what just happened? Network basics. Think of a computer network like your neighborhood. Every house is a device. Your phone, your friend's phone, your laptop. The roads between the houses? Those are the connections that carry your data. Here's where it gets interesting. When you send that text, your phone breaks your message into tiny pieces called packets. Each packet is like a letter in the mail. It has your address, your friend's address, and a piece of your message inside. Now, some of you might be thinking, wait, isn't this just the internet? The internet is actually the biggest network of all, like a massive highway system. But networks exist everywhere. Your school has its own network connecting all the computers in this lab. Your home has a network too. That's what lets your phone, gaming console, and your parents' laptops all share the same Wi-Fi connection. Here's the thing. Understanding networks gives you power over your digital life instead of just being along for the ride. When your Wi-Fi is being slow, you'll know whether the problem is your device, your home network, or your internet connection. When you're gaming online and experiencing lag, you'll understand what's actually happening. Plus, every single app you love, Instagram, Discord, TikTok, Spotify, they all depend on networks to work. Even AI chatbots are sending your questions across networks to powerful computers that send back answers in seconds. But networks aren't just about entertainment. Right now, doctors are using networks to share medical information that could save lives. Emergency responders are coordinating rescues. Students in other countries are accessing the same resources you have. Computer networks are connecting our entire world in ways that seemed like science fiction just decades ago. So here's my challenge. Start paying attention to the networks around you. Notice when you switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data. Think about how your gaming console connects to play with friends online. Because here's the secret. The students who understand how these systems work are the ones who end up designing the next generation of apps and games that everyone else just uses. Networks might seem invisible. But once you start seeing them, you'll realize they're everywhere.